Today I want to talk about weather stations. It seems like if you're into amateur radio, you're usually into weather. So I found myself needing a new weather station since the neighborhood kids broke the old one. So I started taking a look around and I found this Raddy UV6. Looked interesting to me and it had the features I wanted, so let's take a deeper look and go over it. So let's take a closer look at the unit that mounts outside. It has the wind cups to measure the wind speed and the wind vane to measure the direction. We also have the funnel for rain collection, and we have the temperature and humidity gauge. It has a little arrow to tell you that this needs to point towards the north, so if this is north, the solar panel would point to the south. There's also an interesting feature on this is that it has a sensor for UV, so it will tell you the UV index. And if you look on the bottom, there's a little cover that pops off, and that's where the batteries go. Mounting it's pretty simple, so let's take this outside and mount it now. So installation is easy. Using the provided screws, I mounted the bracket to my fence post. Then screw on the upright pipe. Then I place the sensor pack on top of the pipe. Pull up a compass app on my phone to make sure it's pointed true north. Then I tighten the two screws to lock it in place. So let's take a look at the inside unit. We'll go ahead and pull off the plastic so you can see it's a nice screen. So you'll see at the top left you have your weather forecast, moon phase, and your pressure. Below that you'll see wind speed and wind direction. In today's high temp and low temp that's forecasted. I'm not sure where it's pulling that forecast from. And then you have the feels like temp that's being calculated based off of the humidity. You have your rain and your UV index at the bottom of that. Then if you look at the right side of the screen, you have a clock. Below that, you have the temperature and humidity inside and the temperature and humidity outside. Me personally, I don't think it needs the time and clock or the alarms that are built into this. I just want to see the weather. It's taking up valuable real estate on the screen that could be used for my local weather. So one of the things I liked about this unit is that you could get up to 3 of these remote sensors. We'll go ahead and pull one out of the box and take a look at it. And I decided to go ahead and get 2 so I could put one in my garage and one in my shed outside. Now let's talk about what I like and what I don't like about the UV6. Being able to connect up to 3 remote sensors is nice. Sadly, they only show Celsius on the sensor itself. On the display we can see Fahrenheit, but there's no way to change to Fahrenheit on the remote sensor. The other issue I have with the sensors is that they're not exactly accurate. One of them is about 2 degrees off and the other is a degree off. I have them sitting here next to the display for about 24 hours and you can clearly see that. I do like that this doesn't connect to Weather Underground or an app that you install on your phone. Just straight up my local weather on the display. At the time of filming, it's $85 for the weather station and $17 per remote display. At that price point, the UV6 is a great weather station that does everything I need, doesn't require me to download an app or create another account. I put a link in the description below where you can get yours. You've made it to the end of the video. You might as well click that like button and hit subscribe. Thanks.